Lesson 5. Combining consonants and vowels. So far, you have learned vowels and consonants separately. Vowels and consonants alone cannot form a word. Now, let's combine vowels and consonants to make a single word and practice pronunciation together. For example, let's combine consonants and vowels. 기역, 아, 가, 니은, 너, 이응, 아, 디귿, 도, 리을, 레. Isn't that fun? Let's read out some additional words that combine consonants and vowels. Let's practice together while looking at the fun table below. The challenge is to write a letter that combines a consonant and a vowel in the blank below. Try it yourself. If you prepare a paper and a pen, please write it down and pronounce it by yourself. 가, 거, 고, 구, 기, 개, 나, 너, 노, 누, 느, 디, 네, 다, 더, 도, 두, 드, 디, 대. Let's review once again. Vowels are a, o, u, i, e, ya, ye, ya. 야, 여, 요, 유, 예, 와, 워, 왜, 위, 의, 왜. If you combine 기역 and 오, let's practice. 고, right? 노, 도, 로, 모, 보, 소, 오, 조, 호. If you combine the vowel e, 키, 티, 피, 치. If you combine vowel 으, 크, 트, 프, 츠. If you combine vowel 어, 꺼, 떠, 뻐, 써, 쩌. How about 요, 교, 띨, 뼈, 쇼, 쪼. This time we'll use the table above again to practice pronunciation by connecting consonants and vowels one by one. For example, first, let's practice with the consonant 기역. 가, 거, 고, 구, 그, 기, 개, 갸, 겨, 교, 규, 개, 과, 궈, 괴, 퀴, 기, 괴. This time, practice with the letter 니은. The sequence is the same as for 기역. 나, 너, 노, 누, 느, 니, 네, 네, 냐, 녀, 뇨, 뉴, 녜, 녜, 놔, 너, 뇌, 뉘, 니, 뇌, 뇌. We'll practice like this, and at the end, we'll practice with the sound with the consonant hyut. Let's practice with the final hyut. 하, 허, 호, 후, 흐, 히, 해, 해, 혀, 혀, 효, 휴, 해, 해, 화, 허, 회, 휘, 히, 회, 회. This way, you can take 10 minutes to read it out loud for yourself. Korean is very easy to read, so learning to read is much easier than in other languages. So far, we have practiced combining consonants and vowels. Next time, we'll study about the final consonant. Thank you. See you next class. Bye.